Introducing the Thin Veneer collection, a modern take on timeless natural stone masonry. Crafted from premium limestone, travertine, and quartzite, each piece features a natural split face finish that creates a beautiful, dimensional look on any wall. Design flexibility is entirely in your hands. By adjusting grout lines and spacing, you can easily shift the look from clean and modern to rustic and aged. We also engineered it for fast installation. Each piece features a precision sawn back to save time on site, plus matching L-shaped corners for a seamless full-depth look. Historically, Thin Veneer used to only come in massive 300 square foot crates, a complete headache for smaller jobs. We changed that and reinvented the wheel by packing ours in 50 square foot crates, making it effortless to specify for fireplaces, feature walls, and interior projects without the excess waste. Lymra Limestone features a light cream to off-white color with minimal variation, creating a soft, neutral palette that complements a wide range of materials and design styles. Ivory Premium Travertine showcases a high, sought-after blend of beige and cream tones. Its layered composition gives the stone added richness while maintaining a warm, balanced appearance. Silver Travertine blends beige, tan, cream, and gray tones, creating a unique balance between warm and cool palettes. Its subtle shifts in color make it a strong choice for warm or cool finishes. Honey Gold Limestone features warm golden tones accented by amber, driftwood brown, cream, and subtle steel shades. For projects seeking a stronger expression of color, it delivers striking contrast while pairing beautifully with quieter surrounding materials. Argento quartzite offers deep charcoal gray tones with gentle movement throughout the stone. Its flatter, flowing surface emphasizes the richness of the material, making it an excellent choice for clean, contemporary spaces. Inspired by nature and refined for today's projects, the Thin Veneer collection offers a distinctive combination of color, texture, and dimension. Whether used indoors or out, it delivers enduring beauty with that individuality only genuine stone can provide.